Hey Weston, what's it doing?
I'll put this right here.
What's it doing out there?
It's coming down.
It's coming down. What is that?
No.
Well, who sent the snow?
God did.
God did. Why did he send snow?
Told somebody out there died.
He's way up there in the sky.
Yes, no teensy.
What do you think God thought about this snow? What did he want us to do with the snow?
Paints it.
Play in it?
Yeah.
And what else?
And eats it.
And eats it? And what else?
Nothing.
Nothing else?
No.
Enjoy maybe the snow? Is it pretty?
Eats it and paints it.
Is it pretty, buddy?
And dumps it.
And jump in it? Is it pretty?
That's Mommy Bill who don't pout and go into like this. Fall down. Mommy, I'm not getting no rocks.
Look at the river, bud.
Oh,